Good afternoon, students. Next, we have to continue online class, third year maths, and then subject is real analysis 1. Unit 2, divergent sequence. Definition: let Sn n equal to 1 to infinity be a sequence of real numbers. Sn approaches infinity as n approaches infinity if for any real number m is greater than 0 there is a positive integer caps n such that Sn greater than or equal to caps m n is greater than or equal to caps n. Sn tends to infinity as n tends to infinity. Instead of Sn approaches infinity, we sometimes say Sn n equal to 1 to infinity diverges to infinity. Next definition: if the sequence Sn n equal to 1 to infinity of real numbers diverges but does not diverge of infinity and does not diverge to minus infinity, we say that Sn n equal to 1 to infinity oscillates. Oscillates means either converge or diverge. Next definition: bounded sequence. Next definition: bounded sequence. The sequence Sn n equal to 1 to infinity. The sequence Sn n equal to 1 to infinity is bounded above if the range of Sn if the range of Sn n equal to 1 to infinity is bounded above. Similarly, we say that Sn n equal to 1 to infinity is bounded below or bounded if the range of Sn n equal to 1 to infinity is respectively bounded below or bounded. Sn n equal to 1 to infinity is bounded if and only if there exists m belongs to caps r such that modulus of Sn less than or equal to caps m n belongs to I. Next theorem: if the sequence of real numbers Sn n equal to 1 to infinity is convergent, then Sn n equal to 1 to infinity is bounded. Proof: suppose L equal to limit n tends to infinity Sn, then given epsilon equal to 1 there exists n belongs to caps I such that modulus of Sn minus L less than 1, small n greater than or equal to caps n. This implies modulus of Sn is less than L plus 1, n is greater than or equal to caps n. This is the equation number 1 for modulus of Sn equal to modulus of L plus Sn minus L is less than or equal to modulus of L plus modulus of Sn minus L. Let caps m equal to maximum of modulus of S1, modulus of S2, etc. modulus of Sn minus 1. Then we have modulus of Sn is less than m plus L plus 1, n belongs to caps I, which shows that Sn n equal to 1 to infinity is bounded. All convergent sequences are bounded. All sequences diverging to infinity are not bounded. Some oscillating sequences are bounded and some are not. Next definition, monotone sequence. So definition, let Sn n equal to 1 to infinity be a sequence of real numbers if s1 less than or equal to s2 is less than or equal to etc. less than or equal to sn is less than or equal to sn plus 1 less than or equal to etc. then Sn n equal to 1 to infinity is called non-decreasing. Similarly, if s1 is greater than or equal to s1 greater than or equal to s2 is greater than or equal to s3 is greater than or equal to etc. greater than or equal to sn is greater than or equal to sn plus 1 greater than or equal to etc. then Sn n equal to 1 to infinity is called non-increasing. A monotone sequence is a sequence which is either non-increasing or non-decreasing. Next we have to prove theorem. Important, this is the important theorem. So theorem is a non-decreasing sequence which is bounded above is convergent. Proof, suppose Sn n equal to 1 to infinity is non-decreasing and bounded above, then the set A equal to s1 s2 etc. is a non-empty subset of caps R which is bounded above. This set has a lower upper bound. Let caps M equal to lower upper bound s1 s2 etc. equal to lower upper bound for caps A. Prove that Sn tends to caps M as n tends to infinity. Next, given epsilon is greater than 0, the number m minus epsilon is not an upper bound for caps A. Hence, for some n belongs to caps I, Sn greater than m minus epsilon. Since Sn n equal to 1 to infinity is non-decreasing, this implies Sn greater than m minus epsilon. N is greater than or equal to caps N. Equation number 1. Since m is an upper bound for caps A, so caps M is greater than or equal to Sn, n belongs to caps I. This is the equation number 2. From 1 and 2, modulus of Sn minus caps M is less than epsilon, n is greater than or equal to caps N. This proves limit n tends to infinity Sn equal to caps M, which is what we wished to show. For example, the sequence 2 minus 1 given 2 power n minus 1 n varies from 1 to infinity converges to 2. Next we have to important theorem prove. So theorem statement is a non-decreasing sequence which is not bounded above diverges to infinity. Proof, suppose Sn n varies from 1 to infinity is non-decreasing but not bounded above given caps M is greater than 0, we must find caps N belongs to caps I such that Sn greater than caps M, n is greater than or equal to caps N. This is the equation number 1. Since caps M is not an upper bound for S1, S2 etc., there exists caps N belongs to caps I such that S caps N is greater than caps M. Sn greater than caps M. Therefore, Sn n equal to 1 to infinity is non decreasing, hence the proof. Thank you, students.